We are giving back to our amazing community. Follow us across all our social media and share from 100UXDT. Hi guys, welcome to today's video on this channel. Here is a very big opportunity from SuperEX. This exchange has its community at hand and they are giving back to the community right away. So all you have to do, guys, is very simple. If you have not done that, guys, you are very lucky. You might be one of their very best lucky winner to share from this 100UXDT. All you have to do, guys, is very simple. First, you need to have an account with SuperEX. Creating an account with SuperEX is very simple, guys. I will drop the link in the video description. It's also in our Telegram channel. Copy that link or tap on that link. Profile all the simple information necessary, then create your account as well. Verify your account. Once you verify your account, then you are a bit ahead of this process. Now, the link to this website also in the video description. Tap on that link or you copy it and paste it to your browser. It comes out like this: SuperEX. Follow SuperEX social media for a chance to share from 100UXDT. Then 20 people will be selected. You might be one of the lucky winners. Join SuperEX on the latest news. So this is what you have to do, guys. You have to follow them on all of these social media, which are very simple. The first you have to do, guys, is to log in with your account using any of these platform, your email address, Facebook, X, Google, and Apple. So it all depends on you guys. So let me log into my account using any of these platforms. And that you log into this platform, it comes out like this. The first you have to do, guys, to follow them on you need to follow them on X. Tap on this button here, then tap on follow. Take to this, you see that I follow them on SuperEX. If you are not following them, guys, tap and follow them. Tap on continue button, then repost their content on SuperEX. Tap on it, scroll up a bit, tap on repost this button, then tap on repost here, then tap on continue button. Then you need to subscribe to their YouTube channel. Tap on it. Make sure you subscribe to their YouTube channel. Tap on continue, then visit them on Instagram. Tap on visit. It comes out like this. Then tap on continue. Join them on Telegram. So it comes out like this. You can see I'm a member of their Telegram channel as well. Tap on continue. Join them on Discord. Tap on accept. Then that has been completed. You need to verify yourself here. Tap on verify button. Welcome to this verify me. So tap on this button, tap on complete, and tap on verify me. So you see that I've been verified. What should be verified, guys? You have something like this. Then come back to this place, tap on continue. Then you have to submit your UID here. Tap on this button. Then I know you've created your account and verify your account. Then head over to your SuperEX Exchange. Tap on this icon on top of the screen. Then tap and copy this user ID. Paste the user ID here. Then tap on continue. Wait for it to be submitted. Now after that, guys, you get this referral code. Copy this, share the family friends on social media. Doing so, guys, you might be one of the lucky ones that's going to get from this 100UXDT. If you enjoyed this tip and subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.